Best AI trading strategies you can start using today. No coding, no complicated theory, just simple, practical methods. Strategy 1 is trend following. The AI detects market direction and trades with the trend. How it works? AI tracks indicators like moving averages, buys in uptrend, sells in downtrend. Best platforms for this eToro and Signally. Strategy 2 is mean reversion. The AI assumes price will return to its average. How it works? Detects overbought, oversold zones, use RSI or Bollinger Bands. Buys low, sells high. Best platforms for this, 3Commas and Binance bots. Strategy 3 is arbitrage. AI profits from price differences across platforms. How it works? Finds price gaps between exchanges, buys cheaper, sells higher instantly. Best platforms, Pionex and CryptoHopper. Strategy 4 is AI-assisted copy trading. You automatically copy top traders. How it works? AI ranks best traders, you copy their trades automatically. Best platforms for this, eToro and Bybit copy trading. Strategy 5 is grid trading. AI places multiple buy and sell orders in a range. How it works? Profits from sideways markets. No need to predict direction. Best platforms, Pionex, Qcoin bots. No strategy works without risk management. The rule is never risk more than 1-2% per trade, always use stop loss and test strategies on demo account first. That's all. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.